Hi, everyone. My name is Gabriel. I'm the candidate running for Florida State House in District 119, which is way out in the southwestern end of Miami-Dade County, Florida. And we're all here for the same reason, because we all support Medicare for all. I think it's clear that we're at a point in time in our country's history where the general population is waking up to the fact that their healthcare system is not working for them. They're tired of feeling exploited. They're tired of having numerous hurdles thrown in the way of them getting or receiving the healthcare that they need, or quite frankly, the healthcare that we all deserve. Because as we all know, healthcare is not just a luxury, it's a necessity, and it's a human right. And it's something that we are all entitled to. We are living in the 21st century. The year is 2022. We have made great strides in technology and science and medical care. We have the ability, we have the resources, we have the know-how to be able to cure a wide variety of diseases, to help spread healthcare all across the country, and to make sure that people are living their lives free from pain and free from suffering. And because of those resources that we have, it's our moral and our ethical responsibility to make sure that we are increasing access to those to the people that need it the most. We are the greatest country in the world. We are the richest country in the history of the world. Don't let anybody tell you that we don't have the resources or the capability to provide basic necessities like healthcare to our citizens. It's what we deserve. It's what we can achieve. The solutions are there. The funding is there. The will from the people is there. What we lack is the political will. We lack representatives that are there who are fighting for us. We lack representatives that have the vision or the boldness to act on behalf of the population and make sure that we're helping bring us into the 21st century and take care of all of our citizens. And that's part of the reason why I'm running. I'm just 22 years old, and as a young person, I understand what my future will be like if our country keeps going on this path. And that's not a future or world that I want to live in, because I know that we can do better. America used to be a country that thought big, that had vision. We built the interstate highway system that linked across the entire country in less than a decade. We landed a person on the moon. Why can't we do something as simple as give healthcare to our citizens, something that the entire rest of the developed world has been able to achieve? Like other candidates before me have said, it's cost effective to do so. We understand how to do it, and it's the right thing to do. So why haven't we done it already? It's clear that the federal government is not really going to act on this matter soon. There's lots of congressional gridlock. The mathematics of the chambers that are the US House and the US Senate aren't really looking too favorable for that right now. But in the absence of federal action, it falls down to the states to act, and to act quickly, to act decisively, and to make sure that we're doing what needs to be done. And that's part of the reason why I decided to run for state house, because I know that things need to change. I know that we can't continue on the same path. And I know that in Tallahassee, I can make a difference and help the people that need it most. There's only so much you can say about Medicare for all. There's only so much you can say about the progressive movement. And I think that the other candidates have done a really good job at covering the reasons why we need Medicare for all. And it's getting to a point where I feel like I'm kind of preaching to the choir, because like we all know why we need Medicare for all. So I won't take up any more of your time, but I just wanted to let you know that what Candace said earlier about knocking on doors and talking to people and the will is there, I'm testament to that fact. Lots of politicians, Republicans especially, want to tell you that people are scared of Medicare for all. They're scared of it. They think it's socialist. They don't want anything to do with it, but that's just not true. The fact that I, at 22 years old, running as an unabashed progressive, won my primary and a landslide victory in suburban Miami-Dade County by 12 points shows you that there is support for Medicare for all. There's support for the progressive movement. There's support for a new future, because the system we have isn't working, and people know that, and they want change. So if you want to choose change, come help us out. Visit www.gableforflorida.com, and let's bring the future to the Sunshine State. Thanks.